G and Gigi's Real Ghetto Cooking. It's been a long time since we made a post or did anything of the particulars because we do it when we're in the mood and, because we eat every day.
Every day.
Every day, but today I have a cold because guess what? I ride public transportation and I usually wear masks when I do that, but I forgot them, so somebody sneezed, and that stuff lingers in the air. So
on the back of our neck.
So we both got a cold. So we are making lemon, lime, and orange right in the pot. Right? Gonna make a nice big pot because we need a lot.
Don't forget the oregano.
Oregano. Get some fresh oregano. We didn't have time, so we just got
dried oregano. So
it's what we had, but it works good just the same. What else?
You're supposed to cut the cough, then you can put either honey in it or raw sugar or both if you're greedy. And a zip of cayenne pepper.
And we greedy. And I tell people when you